Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to automatically save photos from Viber to gallery. To automatically save photos from Viber to gallery, first you have to tap Open your application or visit the official website fiverr.com. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. Here, tap on Media. Now, you have to allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery, so tap on Save to Gallery. You have to select Auto Download Media when connected to Wi-Fi, or you can also tap on Auto Download Media over mobile network as you prefer to allow automatic download of photos, videos, and GIFs over Wi-Fi connection or over mobile networks. Here I'll be tapping on Auto Download Media when connected to Wi-Fi. After this, all received photos will be saved to your gallery automatically. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.